ebovu uSantos uzohamba lo Santos lo okhokhela yonke inhlobo yaphoyisa likhona egama lakhe uzohamba.
Even in this time where they don't trust us, you'll find them at the police station. You must understand the desperation to run to somebody that they don't trust because they've got nowhere else to run.
These are the kind of police we had before 1994. And I believe people of Limpopo will see change from now on. Because really, guys, we are sick and tired of what is happening in this country. I don't know this man, but I have hope that this man will work for people of Limpopo. So if we say this country was better before 1994 than now, some people think we embrace the apartheid than the freedom we are having now. Do we have freedom right now? Let's continue to pray to have people like General Mkhwanazi in this country.
If we treat them with dignity and respect, we will win their trust again. The issue of members sitting in the CSC and not even standing up on their cell phones, eating, doing everything else, and not helping the community stops today. Corruption is the other thing that kills us. We have so many reports of members who are saying they arrested this undocumented person. Just around the corner they stop and he's back on the street. Now, the days when a person in this country, because to be in this country illegal without documents is a crime. The day when our members look at them and see an ATM, a walking ATM, stops today. Because there's no way, colleagues, that we can fight crime. There's no way that we can win the community back to our side. There's no way that they will trust us again if we are not decisively dealing with corruption and with our members who's colluding with criminals. We cannot work with those who are working against us. My first instruction will be to the DPC crime detection. We will resource our anti-corruption unit today. Second instruction, because I got a lot of instructions, I must give some away as well. The second thing is, General Sabola, the DPC for support services. We need to have a very serious and a strong, dedicated team that deals with negative discipline. It is time that we change blue uniforms for orange ones. To those members who's willing to work hard, those people that are dedicated, those people that wear this badge and say, yeah, when I put this badge on, when you wake up in the morning, it's to say, I'm the first servant. For you guys, we'll change this province. To the community outside there, I want to ask you, Retsepeng, trust us. We are going to change this province, but we cannot do it alone. Community participation, active community participation must take place. Those days where police sit on the one side and plan for their crime and not consulting the community stops today. They need to be part of us. We need to listen to them, hear what is their concerns.
And I believe he was promoted because of his hard work. People of Limpopo, I believe you are having your own General Mkhwanazi now. Imagine if each and every province in this country will have people like that. A police commissioner who is not scared to speak about illegal immigrants on his first speech. I trust that commissioner.
We'll change this province. To the community outside there, I want to ask you, Retsepeng, trust us. We are going to change this province, but we cannot do it alone. Community participation, active community participation must take place. Those days where police sit on the one side and plan for their crime and not consulting the community stops today. They need to be part of us. We need to listen to them, hear what is their concerns.
Mr. Premier, labantu basihlula nge-price because of one thing. Some of other items bayazenzela, which is Unilever, I guess we should try and protect our products wabo.
Athini ama brand, what are the big brands saying? Why are they quiet? This is the question I'm always asking myself. Why are these big brand companies quiet? Why are they not taking the government to court for allowing these foreign nationals to come here and use their brand to make counterfeits? Even big brands like Nike, Adidas, all of them, they are quiet. Food, Lucky Star, Coca-Cola, all of them are quiet. Why? What is causing them to allow their brands to go down the drain like that? This problem is bigger than we think it is. And guys, I know some people will be offended, but hey, we are tired of promises. Premier has been promising us one thing for a very long time. Ukuthi engangeni ngesango iyafohla will deal with these people once and for all. But these people are still doing the same thing here in KZN. They are manufacturing their own food. They are running ama warehouse, ama counterfeits all over KZN. If not for Imagine Match, angazi ukuthi ngabe sinjani njengamanje. Our only hope ilama organizations njengamanje because it's like government usilahlile.
Okay, listen here, you're not going to open a spaza shop here.
Yeah, just stop it already.
Yeah, stop.
Yeah.
You're not going to open a spaza shop. You are running from town now, you are coming here.
Yeah, I need another one.
Another one.
Where is that? If you want the shop, I have got to say.
You have another one in town.
Yeah, we are running in town.
Yeah, right
Where?
in town.
What is the name of the business?
Where in town?
Yeah?
Where in town?
That container in town.
Which container?
Do you know that container business is reserved for locals, not for
already
you?
we leave most.
Sorry?
We do already most. We leave.
We leave the town. You
Yeah.
come to the
To
locations.
yeah.
But why are you coming to kill a business that is right here?
Killing.
No, you're killing the business that
Even
is
the
here.
guy didn't tell-
Let me make this
It is
straight.
not need to take a camera.
No,
for this one.
no, there isn't it. Listen here. Then. You're not gonna open
It is
here.
not need to take a camera
You
here.
cannot tell me. You must tell me in your country, not here. This is South
What are you
Africa.
supposed to tell us?
This is South Africa. In your
You're
country, you
supposed
can
to
tell
listen
me.
here. You're supposed to listen
Let-
here.
Man doesn't have a camera.
A man doesn't have a country. So when even here in your country,
Your country, brother.
oh, when you're not gonna open here, I am telling you.
I just stop it now.
Yeah.
This is Africa. This is my land. This is.
Your land.
Your land.
From
In
Ethiopia.
Bumelwana, you have land in Bumelwana.
No matter wherever. This is it.
That you must go back to Ethiopia with your attitude. With your attitude.
I can.
This is my land. This is Africa. Niyayibona ke imsebenzi kaMandela. I will keep repeating it. Imsebenzi kaMandela. He gave them this country. He opened the borders for them to come. He said it loud and clear after he took power. He said open borders for Africans to come and enjoy with us because they were there for us during apartheid. How come ukuthi your brother helped you during your struggle ukuthi manje sekufanele ukuthi azohlala kwakho? Yinto enjani leyo? We will pay for this forever. And this problem is affecting all of us right now because these African countries are taking us to court. They are taking us to AU. Why? Because they want us to open borders for them to come and enjoy in South Africa because they helped us during apartheid. Whether they are legally or illegally, they want to come to South Africa to enjoy because Mandela said they must come. You understand? You see what we are going through right now. But unfortunately, some South Africans still see Mandela as a hero who fought for their freedom. Are you guys free right now? Is this freedom?
Yeah, when you're not gonna open here, I am telling you.
I just stop it now.
Yeah.
This is Africa. This is my land. This is.
Your land.
Your land.
From Ethiopia.
In Bumelwana, you have land in Bumelwana.
No matter wherever. This is it.
That you must go back to Ethiopia with your attitude. With your attitude.
I cannot.
You cannot go back. Why?
I'm working here. I came to
You
make business.
make business.
I can go to Ethiopia to work.
Why?
So you come here.
So why are you running away from your country?
I'm not running.
But
I'm choosing to make business here in South Africa. Even I want other countries.
But you know that according to the immigration law and the refugee laws, you must have minimum investment of 5 million. Do you know that?
I know it.
But
How much did you bring when I here to come and invest?
I just came myself.
so you know that you have no right to open the spaza shop, but to open it.
I do already.
You have the right to open the spaza shop.
I do have, yeah.
Who says you have
You
the
know,
right?
in Ethiopia, my brother, there are laws in Ethiopia. Even here, there are laws. That's the laws that we are enforcing now. We are telling you now, you're not going to open the business here.
I already stopped this. So, but you don't need to take a camera.
No, I can do whatever. You must tell Ethiopians not to take
Ah,
pictures.
this is my country.
Which one?
This is not Asia. This is not America.
So-
So you guys, you just only here, just only your country, you think.
So this one is your country.
I just like that, yeah. I'm thinking that.
So
But
you
guys are telling us-
will never go back to Ethiopia. So now you're gonna move from this village now to another village.
No, I don't go because you guys are following me.
I am not asking you, I am telling you. All these things that we are saying, my brother, you must say it in Ethiopia, not here. And this is not your land. I am telling you this. This is not your land.
This is my land. Wherever you post, this is my land. This is my country. This is Africa. This is your yeah. Okay. Because you guys, even you don't know how to go to Joburg, how to go to Malawi, how to go to Zimbabwe. That's why you are forcing to chase other people. You see.
So these are the consequences of choosing wrong leaders. Guys, let's vote wisely. Niyabona ukuthi sibhekene nani. Siyayilwela but it's no government. Siyayilwela but sinama-leaders okumele ukuthi ngabe iwona asilwelayo. But siyayilwela. The same people esibavotele ukuthi benze lo msebenzi abawuholelayo wenziwa yithina. Some of our members, some of our citizens sebehlala emgwaqeni benza lo msebenzi. People like iMarch and March, abolakho abophakela umthakathi. Bahlala emgwaqeni njengamanje abasahlali emakhaya. They are not enjoying their own homes because people in government bayahola nje mahhala abenzi lutho. So nje guys, let's vote wisely. Sizoyikhulula thina kulento akekho umunye umuntu ozosikhulula. We can't say we don't want illegal immigrants in the country, but we keep on voting for people abangafuna ahambe. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.